Hello there, dear students. Today is our first lecture. I am your instructor Sabine Ahmed Awan, and today we are going to learn about Python. Python is a high-level programming language and it is the best choice for the beginners who want to start their programming journey. The reason that Python is mostly used is that Python is simple and free and easy to use. Many developers and companies use Python for their projects. Python is a high-level interpreted language. It was created by Gordon Rosa and first released in 1991. Sorry. And there are many versions of Python and it is known for readability and simplicity. Widely used in web development and data analysis and artificial intelligence, it can also be used for gaming purpose and many more. Many key features of Python are readable and simple syntax, easy to learn and write. It means that its syntax is so simple, anybody, any programmer, any simple person can also understand what is written in it who is not a programmer. Interpreted language, it can execute code line by line, which is make it easy for debugging. It means that finding error in Python is in a program is very easy. It is dynamical type, no need to type declared variables because variables are already declared. It is understood. If we use a variable, then Python language can understand which variable, what is the type of the variable. Extensive standard library, rich set of modules and functions are available in this language. In open source and community support, it is also free to use and large supportive community. Versatile, and it is used for application like web development, AI automation, etc. Now, how to install Python language? First, you have first visit your browser like this. Now, whatever browser is available on your computer, you should type it here. Download Python for Windows. I installed Windows operating system, so I will write Python for Windows. Download Python for Windows. Here it comes. Now click here. This interface will available now. Click on download and now this version 3.12.4 version is available in the download. Download. Click here. Open the file and this will start installation. You have to keep one thing in mind. Tick all the check boxes on the way and it will be automatically installed. As I have already installed, so I will not reinstall it. Okay. How to write your first program in Python. For this, we will be using text editor, mainly Visual Studio Code, which is developed by Microsoft. It is also used free open source text editor. There are many text editors like Notepad and others, but we will be using Visual Code. Click on new file and we will save it in Python file. We are going to write our first code, use the command and everything that you want to print as it is should be written in double commas. Hello world is the custom you write hello world in every language. Now first of all we have to save it by using Control and S button on your computer, and this will appear and you can save it. I will save it on desktop and in Python folder. Okay, right. First .py. Py is the extension of Python program. Okay, save it. Now you have to run the code. You have to click here. We are going to click here now. Now see, you can see the result. Hello world is appeared here. Hello world. This is the output. We give input to the computer and output is shown here. Okay, this is our first program. You can also print anything you want to print. Okay, now we will run it again. Now hello world, Sabine Ahmed. You can see the result here. Okay, Hello world, Sabine. Okay, result is shown here. Now, if you want to print any number, then you will write number directly. Okay, number should be written. Number should be written in brackets directly, like 23. If you want to print 23, it will be written directly. 23 is printed in. You can see in the downward. 23 is printed, and you can also print the sum of the numbers. Print 23 plus 35. Okay, plus 35. Sum will be shown. Now we will also run the run button here. 23 plus 58 is shown here. You can see 58 is shown here. Now I think you have come to know about how first program is run in the computer. Now come to the variables. Variables are the type of memory location where values are stored. For example, we have allocated different variables like age and given its value 30, different variable name and given its value Sabine number and price 35.6 float. Variables are used to store any value or information or data. And if you want to print, if you print the variables, the value and the variables will be printed. I show you. Wait, I show you. If you like name is equal to Sabine, age is equal to 34. Uh, Sabine should be written in double commas because it's a string. Age should be written here. Now, if we want to print the variables, bracket, we will write name, and what will be printed? Let us see. Sabine is printed here. And now we see we will print age. What not we will run again the file, and at 34 is printed. So that was all about the basics of Python, and in the next lecture we will talk about data types and rules of assigning variable names. Okay? And now you have also come about the Python. Python is a versatile and powerful programming language, and it is suitable for beginners and professionals alike. And it has extensive use of libraries and community support, and it is ideal for various applications from web development and machine learning. Thanks to all of you for attending this lecture.